The National Weather Service in North Korea has issued a homosexual tornado warning for the following counties: America, the USA, the United States of America, and Southern North America. This alert remains ongoing until June 7th of 1837. At 3 o'clock the Doppler radar detected intensive amounts of faggotry crossing the eastern border into America, most likely from Britain or Iraq. This faggotry has been deemed capable of creating gay tornadoes. The first tornado has just touched down directly outside of California. Arnold has just declared war on the tornado and is arming up his muscles for a brave attempt at fist-fighting the tornado. The next tornado has touched down in Australia and is now moving north at a speed ranging from 20 to 158 miles per hour. The estimated time until arrival of the homosexual tornado is, if you were wondering of the effects of a homosexual tornado, we will now play the audio of a documentary on homosexual tornadoes for you.
Oh my god, I love the cock.com. Hey Ma! Gay porno! New episode! I love gay porno! Oh my god! Ah!